We are going to show you our apartment tour here in Merida, Mexico. Please stick around and we will tell you exactly how much we pay and what's all included in that price.
Way before my mommy knew it, God created me for her. Every pain He took her through it, so my mommy would be sure that in this home we were creating, there'd be no questions or debating, that my family was meant to be my mommy and me. And I know as I grow older, unfortunately the world gets colder, but my mommy is preparing me to be the change the world needs. It's Mommy Me.
Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, Taylor's Mom. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Ambry.
And those who do know me, my name is Taylor Fabianati.
Oh, okay, so she has a new name. We moved in today, so I'm flustered, I'm hot. We just unpacked. I just unpacked all of Taylor's things. Taylor pretty much has just way too much stuff. And we are super excited. We love it here. Taylor's happy, I'm happy. All right, so this is the entrance. We don't have a key, we just use this to get in. And it opens. They have some hand sanitizer. And then we walk in here. I'm going to show you guys outside first. So this is the pool. Before I show you my apartment, we were actually going to move in this one, but Taylor wanted the bottom floor. So each apartment has one of these shopping carts. If you need to get your groceries out of the car, you can just grab a cart. I thought that was pretty cool. So when we enter in, we have, it's dark outside today. Wait. All right, where are you taking us to first? How about the living room?
The living room.
All right, what do we have in here today?
So that's the TV up there.
Okay.
These are my puppets on the couch.
Oh yeah, Taylor has some puppets.
Goldilocks Scammer, the big fat wolf. And this is the couch. I like how it's clean. I like how they painted.
How they painted the couch? Okay, where are we going next? Or the patio, sorry. Yeah, this is the patio, which you guys kind of seen outside. The pool is right there. And yep. Whoa, okay. All right.
Next we're going to show the kitchen.
You're gonna show the kitchen? All right, so this is the kitchen.
That's my food right there.
What'd you say?
I said that's my food.
Taylor was eating watermelon and reading Pinocchio.
And playing a game.
And playing a game?
Yeah.
Oh.
And this is the chair.
Okay.
This is the stove. Those are the kitchen stuff. This is the storage for the...
Yep. All right, so the apartment did come with the knives. It came with this microwave.
There's big giant bottle.
And it came with the dishes.
Mom, I'm the leader.
Oh, you're the leader? Okay. She wanted to show you guys it came with the big giant water, you said?
Yeah. And this is the refrigerator. And this is...
I love this refrigerator. We have to go shopping. We just got here today. It's super duper clean.
And then this is where we wash our clothes.
So really quick, I wanted to show you guys this because I absolutely love this washer and dryer combo thing. I may be late to the game. I'm not a homeowner. But yes, so I can actually wash and then dry the clothes without ever coming back in here to dry them. That is like the most genius thing in the world. So I'm gonna wash some clothes. We've been here for 5 days in a hotel, so we'll just wash all of the clothes, and it's in Spanish, so we'll figure it out. All right, I'm gonna go to normal. That line looks like normal, okay. And
Mama, I need all these clothes small.
you do, okay. So this is dry Chicago. Okay, maybe we can just start. I don't know like how long this is supposed to be. Oh, we need to dry. Okay, so dry should be, I don't remember how she showed me. Okay, so maybe an hour. I think it doesn't take longer than an hour to dry. So we'll start. Okay, and then this here behind, it's like a little storage unit or something. I have Taylor's stroller and her stroller bag for the airplane and her car seat. Because we don't have a car here, we don't use it so much. All right, and then
Next we're going to Survivor.
we forgot to show out here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. All right, so this is like a little area. They said you can dry clothes if you need to, but I don't know. It'll spend soon, Taylor. All right, are you showing the rest of the place?
Yeah.
All right, where are you showing us next?
My room.
How about the bathroom first, since we're closer to the bathroom?
Come on. And this is the bathroom.
This is Taylor's bathroom.
Mine. This is real important to put. So my new and this is my step stool. See? And then this is my toilet, my garbage, this one.
All right.
Shower. Next is my room. So this is my room. This is my doors. Going on to
Yes.
This is my other big kit.
And Taylor has already unpacked. So since she's unpacked, I guess we can kind of show you what she has. We brought these from the US with us. It's full of toys. I don't know what's in here. She put everything in here. Here's like some of her books. And then
Wow.
and then here is like her reading materials.
And then this is what
all of her homeschooling stuff is in here. And more toys.
More
More
toys.
toys. What else?
More toys.
More toys. And what else?
Yeah.
More toys. So that's the majority of our luggage. More toys. More toys. More toys. Okay. And Taylor was super duper excited to open her closet and actually
Open it.
it was so cute. She was hanging up her clothes. And then it's just a lot of closet space here, which we love.
Come on.
Good job turning the light off.
So this is my mom's. This is the bed.
Yep.
And this is her closet.
More closet. Same thing. So this little area is just like this. So this is the bedroom. Hi. All right. And then I also didn't show you guys, Taylor has a little mirror right there. TV. I also have a mirror. That's a plus. And then here is the bathroom to this. This is the other bathroom inside of my bedroom. And I did bring a scale because I'm on this weight loss journey here. Listen, your girl is about to get it right. I'm about to get it right, y'all. That I really love is this. The lighting is terrible here. But we could actually see like the front door. So if someone comes and like knocks on the door or delivery or whatever, we can talk to them And then...
Desbloqueado.
Oops, I just unlocked it. Oh my gosh. See, I haven't really used this. How do you close it?
Desbloqueado.
Uh-oh. Okay. I think it closed. Another camera to see the cars so I can just be nosy. Oh my gosh, I don't think that door is closed. So you can watch your car if we had a car. So I love this. And basically you can, did I just call for help? You know what, I probably should leave this thing alone now.
Desbloquee la puerta en el intercomunicador de vídeo o en la interfaz de visualización.
Okay. So I don't know. She said something about a door. She said something about a door. I do know that. Yeah, but I think this is so cool. So yeah, I'm not gonna keep playing with this because I'm clearly messing things up right now. Aren't you supposed to be in the bathtub or in the shower? Are you shushing me? Did you get your underwear? Come on.
You got it for me.
Oh, I did. Oh, you're right. Okay, where did I put them?
Didn't you put them on my bed?
I don't know. Can you go see?
Yes.
Go!
Why did you do that?
Because we don't need the light on. Just go. If they're on the bed, we're getting right in the shower. Surprise!
What is the
Surprise!
Oh my gosh!
Taylor bought these lights when we went to the store, and that before we came to the US. I mean, before we came to Mexico. You are so silly.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh!
Girl, you so extra.
I'm about to fly. I'm almost about to fly.
All right, I hope you guys enjoyed our apartment tour. All the utilities are included, water, gas, except for electric. We do have to pay electricity, and internet is included, and this internet is super duper duper fast, like 300 megabytes per second, which is completely insane. So that's great for work, and yeah. So all right, well, please if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, bye-bye.
Subscribe to our channel. Now hang up.
How do you hang up a camera?
You just hang up. So.